how to appear offline on Telegram. So you can see I'm currently on my Telegram. Now head over to the settings on Telegram, and once you're here, make your way down to the privacy and security option down below here. So once you have done that, head over here and you should be able to see we have a few options and settings here. Now go under privacy and go ahead in the second option, click last seen in online. Now that you have done that, you should be able to see that last seen in online option. Now, if you want to appear offline on Telegram, all you have to do is change your last seen to nobody. Now, basically, it's not going to let anybody know if you're online, and basically, it's going to almost appear as if you are offline on Telegram. So, if you're actually changing to nobody, it's going to appear like that, and you're going to appear offline. So, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.